welcome back. So I think by now you can generate your images yourself. I think I'll show you how to do that. So let's move straight to the work. So I've already have, like I used to tell you, you have your scripts already. I've the script already. So here is the script you'll be following. So this is the script. So I make it in this like this style, like paging. If you read the script very well, you will see that the script was written in form of pages. So I want it like this. That is how I want it, because I believe this is what will really catch the attention. So the first line is, your business they struggle to get attention online. So I will copy it. I've already have the voiceover of this script as well. Yes, I've have the voiceover of it. Maybe later, before the end of this class, I will show you how you can generate your voiceover as well. So I've copied it. So go back here. So this is our software we are using, the Benime I told you, right? So, and I told you this is test. You click on test. You click on this test. That's where you will add your test. So click on it, then paste the one you've copied, then insert it. So this is it. Your business they struggle online, and mind you, you need to adjust this thing. Let's put it center line. I click on this one to center it, that place. That's where you will click just to center it. You see now, if you center it, like this, center alignment. All this thing you see is alignment. This one, these alignments: align right, align left, middle, align center. So these are the three things you'll be doing to center your word. So I think this is the best place to put it. So can you see it like this? And if you wish, probably you want to change the fonts or you want to change the color of your text. So this is it. You change the color of your text here. You see this, select color. I'm using black. This animation, I will provide for you not to use the animation, because we are going to be using and. Is and that will be written. You'll be writing this thing. It will look as if it's that and that is writing this text. So I will show you. If you want to duplicate it, bring forward, bring back. So, and if you want to change your font, this is it. You come here, you see this thing, that's where you click to change your font. Probably you don't like the font. Let me click on it and see. You see, maybe you want to change your font. Let's change it. You see, come here, come and change any font you want. Come and change it. If you don't like the one that is there before, just come here, come and change it. And I think, no, let's use the one we used before. I think this one is okay. Just come here, play around. Check the one that is okay for you, then you are good to go. I think this one is Arabic. Let's use this one. And make sure it's in the center. So that is that for that. So this is our test. Let's choose, and I think we should choose this and. So if you want to know what, let's just check what we did just now. You see now? Can you see? Can you see the magic now? Can you see it? Your business they struggle online. Can you see? Then again, and don't be too forward. This is one of the way I use. Like I have 3 ways of creating my whiteboard animation. This is one of the basic way. There's still another way, but that one is not for this software. It's another software entirely. So, but this one, I think you should be able to use it and do anything you want to do. So as time goes on, you will be learning more and more. It's not a day journey. You can't just learn it once. So this is one of the way. I think you can see what you do. Your business is struggle. Your business is struggle to get attention online. And again, mind you, I still have voiceover for this script as well. But I will not finish the work on this software. I will go and add my voiceover on my editing software. Like I can use CapCut to add my voiceover if I don't wish to add a voiceover here. Reason is that I might need some adjustments to edit my voiceover, so which it will be very more easy for me if I go to my CapCut. So let's add our text and our images. So your business is struggle online to get attention online. So what is the best image for this one? I think I've told you how to import your image. You go to the stickers, this sticker, just come to this sticker, click on it and go ahead and look for the picture, the image. Click on add image, come on, load, add image. Where my images now? You see, your business is struggle to get attention online. I think I don't want to use this image. I want to use the one with download. Where is it now? Where the images we downloaded? Okay, I don't know. Is it okay? But let's just use this one. Like, can you see your business is struggle to get attention online? You see this image now. This image is is the prompt that generate this image for us. The prompt that we tell ChatGPT to tell us about the image we are going to be using. So can you see the image? This is the image you are going to be using. You have to resize it. So that is it. Make sure it's in the center. So your business is struggle to get attention online. Don't forget, this thing is not done yet. We are going to add our background music and the voice over, so to spice it up. So this is it, and we are done with the first page. So going to the second page now, you will click on this. You see this plus button. I think I've told you already. You click on the plus button just to add another page. So this is another fresh page now. So you still go back to your script. So the second script says bad visual and boring content will slow your growth. So that's true. So you copy it, then go back, go to the text, paste it, then don't forget you should make sure that your text is in center alignment. So this is it. And don't forget, if you want to change the color, we use black, right? If you feel like change this one to blue, you can change it if it's okay with you. I'm only showing you if it is okay with you, you can change it like this. I think this is cool. So bad visual and boring content will slow your progress, will slow your growth. Now I'm going to still import another image that we know that is best okay for this. So how do you import your image? Go to the sticker, add image, then look for the image. that is perfect for what you are. Bad image. Which one do I generate for it? I think I do this. Yes, this one. Bad if you are boring content. If you slow your growth, you see. So I'll make sure you adjust this thing very well. Sure it's in a good position to place it. Don't forget it's hand that will draw this thing. It will look as if hand is drawing it. So that is that. Then let's check it out. Your business is struggle to get attention online. Second page, bad figure and boring content fish slow your growth. Then the next page is what? Let's click on the next page. That's, you see, this is the next one. For the Invo Media Enterprise, you copy this one. That's the next one. Then come to the text, paste this thing here. As you can see, this text is too much, right? You have to adjust it. How to adjust it? You can adjust it here, like reduce it here. So and don't forget to center it. The reason why I should have cut it into two, but the reason I don't want to split it into two is that maximum you shouldn't allow your page to be more than at maximum 5 pages. 3 is okay, safe. 3 is okay. You can tell ChatGPT that you just want it in 3 pages. You just want a very simple script. It's not a must, it's up to 5. You can make it 3, 4. The 4 should just be your contact info, your address, your contact, so that it will show that you are the one that do the work. So that is it. It's not a must, it's up to 4 or 5. So for the Info Media Enterprise, we dey bring brand to life with professional video editing, motion graphics, whiteboard animation, and powerful digital ads. So that is that for that. Powerful digital ads. So that is that for that. So I think we should go and import our image, the one that is okay. Which one I even generate for this? Come on. See the image I'm looking for. Okay, I think I will change that first one. So this is the one I generate for the second. You see, can you see this image now? If you check what is inside that image, if you check you will see it's talking about engagement. So that is it, and make sure you center it. So that is that about that. Let's go back to the first. I see something. I want to change this image. I don't really like it. Let's change it. I don't really like this image. Give me background itself. I need pure white background. So, and the way I told you to generate here the image, that's how you will generate it. Let's go and change the image. Let's go ahead and change this image. Let's do it.